Do you want to learn how to make these teriyaki king oyster mushrooms? Watch this video. Hi, and welcome to another episode of Plant-Based Kids!
Hey guys, today we're going to be making a quick, easy recipe for king oyster mushrooms.
First, cut the mushrooms into 1-inch slices. Then, put lines in the mushrooms to infuse the flavor. Don't forget to do the other side. Look how pretty it is. Next, oil up a pan and fry. Fry till turns brown.
Now it's time for the sauce. So here we have balsamic glaze, liquid aminos, Asian fusion, chili flakes, and ginger powder.
When the sauce is finished, add tahini. Oops, forgot maple syrup. Now add in your scallop mushrooms. Mix very well.
We're going to make a quick, special, easy green sauce. First, we're going to use 1/2 of mayo. Next, cilantro and garlic. And a little bit of basil. Next, 2 jalapeno peppers. 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast. And squeezed fresh lemon. Spicy.
It's time for the taste test.
Oh, it's like teriyaki.
It tastes so good.
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
And share.
I'll see you next time on Plant-Based Kids. Do you wanna know how to learn?
Do you want to learn?
Do you wanna learn how to make these easy white mushroom
King oyster mushroom,
king mushroom?
teriyaki king oyster mushrooms.